Hi guys, in this video I'll be telling you how to fix your phone stuck in Fastboot or Softbrick. So the prerequisites are you just need a wire and need a computer, and in your PC you need to extract your latest Fastboot ROM, which I've already done here. And after this is done, you can go to your Mi Flash tool and you can open the Mi Flash exe, and you need to select your ROM folder where you just extracted it, where in my case it is in D drive. So once you have selected it, you can click on clean all or clean all and lock if you want to lock your bootloader. I don't want to lock my bootloader, so I click on clean all. Now you can click on refresh, and once your device is shown in the screen, you can click on start flashing. So well, once your flashing is done, you'll get an error saying no, not catch checkpoint, fastboot flash is not done. That means it's not an error. That means I've given clean all, so my bootloader wouldn't be locked. It's just saying that we couldn't lock your bootloader. So in case you're given clean all and lock, it will give you a success message. So wait for your phone to boot into your system. So well, as you can see, my phone is booted. My phone was bricked and now is recovered. So let's do a quick setup. You can feel free to disconnect your charger. So well, our phone has booted. I got a message saying that I've got an update for 13.0.6. So in case you flash the older version of your Fastboot ROM, which might be MIUI 12, you'll be getting an update for 13, which is fine. And as you can see, my phone is completely unbricked right now. So if this video helped you, please like, share and subscribe. Bye.